In this chapter, we are going to learn how to connect Facebook page and Instagram profile. But before going into that process, let's understand what are the benefits of connecting Facebook page and Instagram profile. The first benefit is you can post efficiently. When your page and professional accounts are linked, you can share posts on both the platforms simultaneously. If you choose to advertise from your Facebook page, you can also reach more people with your ads because they can also run on Instagram. Second benefit is get started with shopping on Instagram. In addition to meeting business requirements, you will need to have a linked Facebook page to set up your shopping on Instagram. Without that, shopping on Instagram is not possible. Number three, manage your messages. When you link Facebook and Instagram, you can manage your messages across Messenger and Instagram from a single unified inbox. We have seen this in some of the earlier chapters. Number four, gain access to cross-app tools. By linking Facebook and Instagram, you will gain access to tools such as appointment booking buttons, donation stickers, and camera effects. Again, we have seen like in new page experiences, we were not able to get this appointment booking button, and that's why we had to go to the classic page. So if our page and Instagram is connected, we would be getting access to that feature as well. Number five, promote your posts and stories. In some regions, you will need to claim Facebook page in order to advertise from Instagram. So that's mandatory requirement. Number six, sync business contact information. After you link your Facebook and Instagram, the page and Instagram account can edit contact information for one another for consistency. So it would be very easy for you to maintain the consistency. Number seven, conveniently pay for promotions. By linking Facebook and Instagram, you will be able to use the payment method you use on Facebook on Instagram. You can also pay for promotions from the Instagram app if that works better for your business. We'll see this in detail in coming chapters. So now we are aware about the benefits. So let's see how we can connect this to platforms. There are two methods. So first we'll look at the method from Instagram app. So on your screen you can see Strikers Fitness Center Instagram profile. To connect it with the Facebook page, you need to tap on the top right corner three horizontal lines and select settings. Now from this menu, click on business, and from here you will see one option written as connect a Facebook page. Click that. Now here, if you have already created some page, you can select that page and connect it with the Instagram. If you have not created any page, then you can write it from here. But right now we are not connecting it from Instagram. We'll look at the second method, how we can do it from Facebook. So now we are back on our Strikers Fitness brand page, the admin area. To connect this page with the Instagram, we need to scroll on the left hand side and we'll require to click on settings. Inside settings, again scroll down and find out the symbol of Instagram. Click on that. Now it will prompt us to connect our Instagram. Connect your Facebook page to an Instagram account. We'll click on this connect account button. Allow access to Instagram messages in inbox. Let it be the way it is and click on continue. Now here we need to give our phone number, username or email and login. So I will be using my email ID and add your password. Click on login. So now we have connected our Facebook page with Instagram. You can see over here you have access to manage Strikers Fitness Facebook page. So you have also access to manage Strikers Fitness Center Instagram account. So this way we have connected our Facebook and Instagram. Due to that, we will be getting a lot of benefits We'll explore those benefits in coming chapters. This way, connect your Facebook and Instagram account. And if you face any difficulty, do let me know.